Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, in this video I'm gonna give you some advice to remember the importance of maintain health in this extreme weather. And regarding health, actually all kinds of diseases can prevent in simple way. Namely, the first is drink water. Drink water is very important for our health because the water can protect us from dehydration. The water important in raw metabolisms. Ministry of Health recommend to consume water 2 liters in every day. And second is enough rest. Enough rest is main things for health because rest can keep body strong, and rest is also supporter of body immune system. And the last is exercise. Do exercise regular and every day can maintain body immunity. And do exercise at any time, such as push up, sit up, and run together your friends. And that's all. Can I give you some advice? Please forgive me if I make a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.